Hey there, I'm here with another Nutritionist convenient food meal review, and this time I'm looking at the latest convenient meal range by Coles, which is called Coles Kitchen. So Coles are really trying to target a health conscious consumer. These are fresh meals that are located in the fresh food section amongst the veggies and fruit and meat. And their marketing is all about real food, fast, using whole food ingredients. Now, their range consists of about 34 different options spanning a few different cuisines. So you'll have Indian, Italian, Asian, and your classics like cottage pie. So their smallest and most affordable option are the soups, which are about 300 grams and they start at $3. You'll then find some substantial single serve meal options of about 350 to 400 grams and some sides and some share meals as well. Now, like anything, when I look at a convenient style meal or any pre-packaged food, I want to bypass all the slogans and the marketing spiel on the front and head to the back, because this is where you'll find the ingredients list and the nutrition profile, and you'll be able to make a more informed choice about whether this is a healthy option for you. The first thing that strikes me when I look at the ingredients list is just how many ingredients are used in the Coles Kitchen individual meals. In fact, it's not too dissimilar to what you would expect to find in their traditional frozen meal options. So that was a little bit disappointing. Also not so great is that you'll find numbers, preservatives, emulsifiers, stabilizers, natural flavors in amongst the ingredients, as well as those oxidizing oils such as canola and sunflower oil. So not all real food as you would imagine from looking at the packaging. I have to say though, Coles are making a positive step by improving the quality of the meat that they use and the protein. So you'll find RSPCA approved chicken, free range eggs, and also no added hormone beef. So that is a good but small positive step to make the quality a little bit better. Now, in regards to the calories and the macronutrient balance, there are a few changes in here. So depending on the meal type that you choose, the average calories can be from about 350 to about 615. You will find some lower calorie options like this tomato and basil soup, which is only about 100 calories, but it's not going to sustain you for long. Now, most of the meals are a carbohydrate-based meal. So you'll find lots of options with pasta, rice, noodles, and starchy veg, such as potato mash. And this is reflective in the carbohydrate content of the meals. So of the ones I chose, they were ranging between about 40 and 65% carbohydrates. One positive is that they all contained a decent amount of protein. So that could be around 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal. I'm a big advocate for people ensuring that they're consuming protein each and every meal. So this is a good addition. The fat content is going to range between 8-10 grams to up to 30 grams, depending on the type of meal you choose. Those that are heavy on the dairy and those that are coconut based, like some of the curries, do contain more fat than others. One thing that is pleasing is to see that they're quite low in sugar and that their sodium content is in check. It's not low, but it is moderate, which is great for a convenient style food option. The fiber is pretty low, which is not unusual for convenient meals. And in fact, Coles actually on the fine print say that they recommend you add veggies or a salad to a lot of these dishes. So they do acknowledge probably that you could boost the nutrients and make them a little bit more substantial by adding something on the side. So all in all, not too bad on the nutrient profile, although if you are looking for a low carbohydrate option, you don't really have much choice. Likewise, if you're looking for something that is dairy or gluten-free, there aren't very many options. The vegetarian and vegan options are also minimal, but keep in mind that Coles have a range called Nature's Kitchen, which do offer plant-based meals, so there's plenty of different choices there. In terms of taste, they were pretty tasty. I mean, you would expect that from the number of ingredients and natural flavors that they do use in there. So they were fragrant, the textures were really nice, which I put down to the fact that it is a fresh meal rather than a frozen meal. They also are making a positive step with their packaging in that they are using 80% recycled plastic packaging. It is still plastic and you are still going to be exposed to some of those harsh chemicals when you are heating the meals, but it is trying to be a little bit more environmentally friendly, which is a bonus. Overall though, I don't actually think they're substantially different to the Coles traditional frozen meal options. Yes, they are trying to increase the protein a little bit and reduce the carbohydrates. They are trying to use better quality meat, and you'll find that they do have some more veggies in there, which are all positives. The price does reflect it by being about double the price than a frozen meal option at Coles. So yes, they're still affordable and they're convenient. Personally, I think that there are better options out there on the market in terms of more nourishing, nutritious, convenient food options, either at the supermarket or from some of the online suppliers like those you'll find at mealprep.com.au.